Hello guys, my name is Sagar and I am back again with another lecture of Power BI. And today's lecture is going to be very interesting because today we are going to discuss Power BI along with ChatGPT. Okay, how we can integrate ChatGPT in Power BI and how we can leverage the power of ChatGPT into Power BI. We will see, we will discuss about that. Okay, so let's first import our data into Power BI from Excel file. This is our data and I imported it. It will take some time, 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that. Okay, so our data is here and we click on load. While we click on load, it will making a connection into model. Okay, it will take 5 seconds, not more than that, and it is done. Okay, so this is our data, and first we'll create some normal visualization by using this data. First we'll create pie chart here. Okay, and in pie chart we will give region and sales, sum of sales and region in pie chart. We'll copy this pie chart and paste it here, and now increase or decrease the size of this. Okay, here I will take donut chart, remove these labels from here and take donut chart, and here I will take profit along with region. Okay, sorry, I will take profit along with region. Here I will take sales along with region. Okay, now I will take ribbon chart. Okay, take ribbon chart. This is a ribbon chart, and I will take sum of sales along with region and ship mode. Okay, so if you don't want to take ship mode, you can take some another things. You can take segment as well. Okay, so this looks good. This is our we can say ribbon chart. One more chart I will take clustered column chart. Okay, so this is our clustered column chart, and I will take sum of sales here along with segment and years. Okay, if it sum of years is, you can take it here. Okay, you don't want to take years, so you can remove it. Okay, but we can take some another thing. We can take ship mode here, and here we can take like year in place of segment. Okay, here we take year. Okay, like that. Or if you don't want to take region, so you can take year in place of region, like that. Okay, but region segment look good, and here we will take sales along with segment along with years. Okay, we can take year here. Okay, and we can take years in legend also. Now it will look good. Okay, so these are some normals visualizations which we have created in Power BI previously also in Power BI lectures. But now why I created these visuals today? Okay, suppose if you want to change the color of these visuals, so what you can do, you can go to view tab, go here, and then you can customize current theme. Okay, how you can customize it? You can change the color, make it, you can make it somewhat dark blue, and it is already dark blue, so we can make it somewhat light. It is orange, make it dark orange. It is purple, so make it dark, more dark purple. Pink, we can take it red, and we can make it orange, and we can make it dark yellow, darker yellow color, like that. Okay, so we can apply it. Now our colors will be applied to on all the charts of our Power BI. Okay, suppose you want to like uh, take that title in bold or make that data labels bold, so you have to do it one by one. You have to go to format your visual, then you can format your visual one by one. Okay, so it is very like a very big task to do this. Okay, and we will getting bored by doing this. So what we will do, we will write code in JSON, and we can directly import that JSON file into our Power BI. When browse for themes and JSON file is saved in our laptop or system, and we can directly import JSON file from there. But we don't know to write how to write code in JSON. Okay, so what we will do, we will go to ChatGPT. Okay, and we'll give some instructions to ChatGPT. I will write those instructions. What are instructions? I want a theme for Power BI. I want following things. What are those things? Neon color for charts with blue and cyan color mandatory. Okay, suppose I can make it red, not cyan. I can take red. Okay, x-axis and y-axis side should be 14, data label side should be 15, and add border and shadow to the charts. Okay, I copied this and pasted it in Power BI, sorry, ChatGPT, and I asked ChatGPT for a theme. ChatGPT provide us the theme for neon color theme, and it provides a JSON code. Okay, it is JSON code, and we can copy this code and import it in Power BI. Okay, and ChatGPT is very important. You have to leverage the power of ChatGPT. You have to use human intelligence to use ChatGPT. Okay, you have to use your own intelligence. Okay, if you give them proper instruction, then ChatGPT will reply you with proper answer. Okay, so this is our code. We can copy this code, we can open another notepad and paste it, and we can make it save as on desktop and Power BI theme dot json. Okay, and in save as type you can select all files. Okay, save. So it is already saved, so we don't want to replace it. Okay, so it is already saved in our laptop previously. This same code I saved. Okay, let's go to our Power BI and go here. I just wanted to show you how we can save it in our laptop or desktop. Then we can go to view tab, then go here and browse for themes. Okay, on desktop we have Power BI theme saved in JSON file. Okay, let's double click on that. Okay, the moment you double click, it imported that theme into Power BI and all the colors will be changed. Okay, let's see the magic. Okay, got it. So the colors will be changed. Okay, so this is the normal thing. I have given some normal code to ChatGPT. I have given some normal instructions to ChatGPT. You can give some more instructions to ChatGPT. Like in that, suppose I want these in bold, so you can told ChatGPT, I want these in bold. I want these things in bold. I want different colors in different places. Okay, so you can do like that, and you can create a very beautiful dashboard by doing this. Okay, so this is the power of ChatGPT, and this is the power of Power BI. Okay, ChatGPT has only information till September 2021. Power BI upgrades itself every month, but this is this is the thing you can this is the place where you can take the help of ChatGPT and integrate it with Power BI. Okay, we can integrate ChatGPT with other tools also, but integration of ChatGPT with Power BI is like, I recommend this. You can do this. Okay, you do this, and after doing this, create a dashboard. It will look beautiful. That dashboard will be look beautiful, and that will make your mind blow. Okay. So thank you very much. We'll meet in another lecture. I will take some another lectures on integration of Chat GPT with other tools. Thank you very much. Bye bye.